Dear class of 2020, I am Dr. Shagun Juneja. I am a clinical oncologist currently working in the United Kingdom. For those of you who don't know, clinical oncologists treat cancers with chemotherapy and radiotherapy. In my free time, I enjoy reading, watching movies, running, and hiking. I belong to the class of 2004, although I didn't go to Janki Das Kapoor Public School in the last 2 years of schooling. I went to a school in Delhi for 11th and 12th. I then dropped a year to prepare for medical entrance exams. I did MBBS and MD from Delhi and moved to England a little over 3 years ago. I did more exams here and the journey is ongoing. I fondly remember the time spent in JDKPS, and I can say with utmost confidence that that was one of the best phases of life. I sat on the same chairs which you all use now, played in the same playground, performed on the same stage, I think. So it wouldn't be wrong to say that our journey through 15 years of school is similar. We are in a protected environment under esteemed guidance of our teachers. After school, however, we are more or less on our own. What course our life takes depends on a number of factors. I don't really have any advice to give because, after all, we are all unique individuals. Our interests, capabilities, expectations from life, and even definition of success are different. It would be arrogant of me to say that there is only one right way to do things. But I will share a few lessons that I have learned so far through successes and failures of my own. So here it goes. Having an ambition gives a sense of purpose. I love science, and I was confident that if I have a career in science, I'll be able to do my job with honesty. It gives me joy to know that there is scope to progress in my field, which prevents boredom, and my services contribute to the greater good of mankind. Pain of failures will always pass 100% of times. Failure should, however, not become a habit. It's important to have awareness, to recognize weaknesses, and work towards improving. There is no shame in asking for help. What someone thinks of me is more reflective of their state of mind. Exercising every day gives physical and mental strength to keep going. Kindness and empathy towards everyone around is a sign of developed thought process. Reading opens mind to multiple possibilities. In a marathon, there are multiple hydration points, and life is no different. It's important to take a break every once in a while. Class of 2020, I wish you the best in life. It's going to be great.